Today, we are observing 32nd Budulan Bhatia Day. ये हम लोग के लिए बहुत बहुत दुख का बात है। बुदुलन मूवमेंट के लिए अभी भी हमको प्रमुख ने बताया करीब 5,000 लोग मर चुका है, मार्टा है, शहीद हुआ है। हम लोग बुदु जात, बुदु नेशन 5,000 शहीद हुआ है। बहुत सीरियस बात है। और 20,000 वो जेल डाला हुआ है। इट्स वेरी सीरियस इशू। Today's function, first of all, I want to congratulate the APSU for organizing this beautiful 32nd Bhatia Day. हम लोग का 20 up to the President, Pramod Guru, GS Lawrence, और हमारा invited guests, और LMS का जनरल सेक्रेटरी मनीष कामत जी, सानियाल जी, and all the leaders on the dais and off the dais, especially my dear young student, young generation. On behalf of myself, on behalf of my family, on behalf of my government, on behalf of my Timberland movement, I would like to give my heartiest thanks and congratulations for inviting me on this 32nd Bhatia Day. As you know, I'm involved in the movement since 1982. When I passed out my madhyamik exam, ICS exam, I passed out my ICS exam 1983. Since then, till today, I am fighting, I am struggling for the cause of my people, for the cause of society. And I know I have visited several places in Buduland. I have been in Ukrajat several times, and I remember first my visit in Buduland in Bogaygaon when our UG Burno, he was the president of APSU. I was invited as a speaker. There are thousands and thousands of people, boys and girls, old and young, are present there. I still remember. In that very period, Budu people are fighting each other, killing each other, quarreling each other among the Budu people. I was told, you give a speech of reconciliation, fellow feeling, not to kill among ourselves. I know during Budu movement, many people are killed, not by other people, by our own people. हम लोग के लिए शत्रु कौन है? दूसरा नहीं, अपना जात, अपना आदमी, अपना रिश्तेदार हम लोग का दुश्मन है। बहुत दुख का बात है। बहुत दुख का बात है। क्यों क्यों ऐसा हुआ? क्यों हम लोग बुडू जात एकदम नहीं हो पाया? क्यों? I know for Budu future, there is no any Budu future except Budu land. If you do not achieve your target, if you achieve Budu land successfully, I think and I firmly believe one day, today and tomorrow, the Budu people will perish, will vanish. We have a typical example. Nehru United today, Kandapuri, Rajbongsi, they are going to perish. Near West Bengal, we have our own people. Once there is the royal family, the kingdom, there is no more. The same thing Budu people and Dipra people will happen today in tomorrow. लेकिन बुडू लोग, हम मालूम है हम लोग करीब 50 से 60 लाख population with the Budu people. Around 50 to 60 lakhs Budu nation. हम लोग त्रिपुरा में सिर्फ हम लोग 13 से 14 लाख हैं. हम लोग त्रिपुरा भी बांग्लादेश में भी है, हम लोग का आसाम में है, मेघालय में है. ऐसे होकर हम लोग त्रिपुरा around 20 to 25 lakhs Tripuri people, हम लोग बोला बड़ो people, हम लोग 20 से 25 लाख हम लोग जाते हैं. बुडू त्रिपुरी हम लोग सेम है, अराउंड सेम. सिर्फ हम लोग का लिए जियोग्राफिकल लोकेशन, हम लोग का भाषा थोड़ा अलग हुआ है. फिर भी अभी भी 60-70% हम लोग लैंग्वेज भाषा एक ही है. सिर्फ सुर ट्यूनिंग डिफरेंट है. हम लोग बोला दुई, आप लोग बोला दुई. वाटर को हम लोग क्या बोला? हम लोग बोला दुई, आप लोग बोला दुई. टी बी डिफरेंट. हम लोग बोला मुजान, हम लोग मुजान. हम लोग बोला मुजान, मुजान, आप लोग बोला है मुजान. से हम लोग याद बोलते हैं, आप लोग जाग बोलते हैं. अब लोग याक्सुई, हम लोग जाक्सुई. वो मोरला से इसलिए पहले से हम लोग त्रिपुरा एंड बुडू हम लोग एक जात है. We came from one family, one nation, and also we suffer the same. In Tripura also we are demanding separate state based on schedule area of Tripura. अभी भी हम लोग का डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल, द लैंड ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल इज अराउंड 70%. 70% land is still in our occupation, in our domination. 30% outsider, 70% in our control, in our district council. But हम लोग का पॉपुलेशन हम लोग कम हुआ है. हम लोग 30%, वो लोग 70% है. लेकिन जमीन लैंड 70% हम लोग का कब्जा में है. लेकिन हम लोग पॉपुलेशन संख्या हम लोग कमती है. हम लोग 30% है, वो लोग 70% है. यह मुश्किल है. Therefore, We are fighting for the land. जमीन के लिए हम लोग फाइट कर रहे हैं. The 70% of land we want to capture, and what we call as a Tripura land. Therefore, I believe the young generation have to come up. We should have a fellow feelings. Have to love each other, not to kill each other, and not to criticize. हम लोग जात, बुद्धू जात, त्रिपुरा जात, हम लोग बहुत क्या बोलते हैं, we know how to criticize. हम लोग बहुत जानते हैं, समर्थन करना जानता है, हिंसा करना जानता है, लेकिन प्यार नहीं जानते हम लोग. इसलिए हम ऐसा हुआ है, because we are not unite together, we do not love each other. दूसरा लोग एडवांटेज ले रहा है हम लोग का लिए. They take advantage because we are not united. हम लोग कमजोर हैं, हम लोग हैं. We are weak people. We are disadvantaged people. But our way out. हम लोग सिर्फ हम लोग का उपाय क्या है? एकता है उपाय. हम लोग के पास रुपए नहीं है. हम लोग के पास क्षमता नहीं है. शिक्षा नहीं है. हम लोग दुर्बल हैं. संकल्प कौम है, माइनॉरिटी. But there is one way to overcome all this situation: unity. I'll give one example to you. Please listen carefully. जंगल में कभी का हम लोग डिस्कवरी चैनल आप देखा होगा. There are TV Discovery Channel. In the jungle, the deers they are afraid to the lion and tigers. The weak animal like deers and pig, they are afraid to tigers. And they stay together. The deer, they stay together because they are afraid tiger will attack them. When they are together, the tiger, lion, they're just looking. They cannot come because they are afraid that they are together. When one single deer dispersed from the group, the tiger come and attack him. When they are together, then tiger, lion, afraid to attack them because they are together. Those are weak animals, but since they are live together, the tiger and lion cannot go near to attack them. But when tiger see, so the single deer going away, he ran and attacked him. This is a lesson. We make weak people, we make poor people, but if we live together, the tiger cannot attack us. Other minority group, they cannot attack you because we are together. इसलिए हम लोग के लिए उपाय कोई नहीं है. Only one way to survive is to unite together, to live together. Then only we can survive. Otherwise we cannot survive. बुद्ध लोग ऐसा है, हम लोग ऐसा है. But one thing I believe, the principle of Buddha is the only way out to save Buddha people. Every Buddha people, I do not believe 100% support, but at least I believe to support 60 to 70%. 100% we can come together, but at least 60%, 70% Buddha people should unite together. Then only we will achieve Buddha land. Otherwise not. इसलिए the young generation should come up, not to criticize, other people. But to fight together, to support together. I know Pramodji is fighting Lord, he's sacrificing his life. Lot of young people, I know how they struggle financially, how they struggle I know. Because we don't have a government, we don't have a million people, we don't have property in our society. But they're surviving, they're struggling for the cause of people. Those are living, I know Guru people also living a lot of luxurious life. There are many rich people, but they don't come forward to help Guru people, to fight for our cause. हम लोग भी ऐसा है त्रिपुरा में भी. This is the only way. My advice, my submission is to live together, to unite together. Then only I think our movement, our struggle, we can achieve to the end tomorrow. त्रिपुरा में ऐसा है. But slowly I think the young generation, युवा समाज, slowly they understood, they realized not to fight each other, not to blame each other, but to work together. By blaming others, by criticizing others, we cannot solve the problem. But we have to work together. We have to solve together. Otherwise, I think our struggle will be meaningless. Therefore, my appeal to you all my Guru family, my brother and sister, from today onward, we have to think ourselves, not to blame others, not to criticize others, but to love each other. ये मेरे मचे से आज के बहुत हम लोग बहुत 32nd मार्टियर डे. इवन इन त्रिपुरा हम लोग भी बहुत आदम बोल चुका है हम लोग देश के लिए, जात के लिए, लेकिन हम लोग अभी भी इन त्रिपुरा we cannot identify the date of Martyr Day. I really thanks to the opposite people. At least they have identified the 12th June as a Martyr Day. ये बहुत बड़ा truth है. At least we identify the date, but in Tripura, still we cannot identify the particular date to be called Martyr Day. Even I believe we are thinking, because there are a lot of people in Tripura also, they have died, they have sacrificed their life, the martyrs have taken place. There are so many boys and girls in Tripura, but we cannot celebrate like you here. Therefore, then I appreciate to the organizers to celebrate this kind of occasion. 32nd Martyr Day in Buxa. I really give my heartiest congratulations who invited me to this function. This is Pramodji, he has called me. So I really thank him for inviting me to this occasion, and I hope in future we can go together, we can live together, we can share our viewpoint, we can share our grievances, our love. Then all I think the Budu people and the people were same family, were same brother. Thank you. Hambai Kulka.
आपको भी धन्यवाद दो कि आपने इतना बिजी शेड्यूल में भी हमारे यहाँ आए. आज हमारे एक बार शेर मानने वाले सब नाराज हैं क्योंकि विदर्भ में इतना